everyone, this is Chris, and this is my little girl Justine. Welcome back to Just Love Cooking. So today what we have here for you is a roasted cauliflower and red pepper soup. I roasted the veggies right from the air fryer. Perfect, done in like 15 minutes. Alright, so this is kind of how it looks. There you go. So I put it in a cup, not in a bowl, because I don't know, it tastes better in a cup. So I'm gonna add some of these garlic chips in here. I don't know if you can see that. Justine loves the garlic chips, right? Here, try it out. Want one? Here. Do you like it? No? Alright. She was eating it earlier, so there you go. And then I got a bunch of cheese here. So I'm gonna put a little bit in there. I'm gonna stir it all up after. Right? Let's go stir it up. There you go. You like that? Yeah. It's a little hot for you right now, so. Alright, so here it looks. Right, so me and her are gonna smash this soup right now. Make sure to smash that subscribe button again. Peace. Say peace. No? Alright. Bye.